first, everyone. If you understand this question, what they are asking. So
No
you are in
doubt,
a
sir.
Earth. Yeah, you are in Earth. You traveled 20 kilometers depth inside the Earth. So definitely there will be some G value. Am I right? At this depth. Clear, everybody?
Sir, how can you say that Hg is equal to Hs, sir?
That's what, Mari. Question they are saying, Mari. You have to calculate that height. Find the height where the gravity is same as the depth at 20 kilometers. Means at 20 kilometers depth, we are having some gravity. Do you agree with me? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now, from the surface, again you started moving upwards. Then at a certain height, you will get the same G value of at the depth of 20 kilometers. That is what they are asking. What is that height? Calculate that height they are asking. Are you clear? Yes?
Sir.
Understand, Amma? Everybody? Question you understood or not? If you understand the question, it will be good. If not, it is very important. Yes, everybody? All of you understood, Amma? Clear? Yes, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have taken. So we know that at the given depth, what is the formula, guys? At the given depth, what is the formula? Everybody? Yes, please. G dash is equals to G into 1 minus D by R. Just I went to 20 kilometers only. So it's very less. So that above height, G dash is equals to, what is the formula I have to take? This formula or this formula? Which formula I have to take, guys? Very small height only. It is very, very small. H value is extremely smaller than R. So which formula I have to take? Anybody?
1 minus 2h by r.
1 minus 2h by r. So they are saying both are equal. Calculate that height. So I will equate this both. So observe very carefully how I will do it, everybody. So I will say G into 1 minus D by R is equals to, clear everyone? G into 1 minus 2h by R. This is the height we have to find it. That's all it is now. So we can get it everything very simplified. You can notice it. So G, both the sides GG will get cancelled. Now you all can notice it, all of you. So what is remaining? 1 minus D by R, which is equals to 1 minus 2h by R. Let me take it. Oh, it's not. Yeah. So this is only for this. Clear? Now, both the sides I can get cancelled some other thing. Anybody can tell what I can get cancelled, guys? Yes, Mari? RR can get cancelled. 1 can get cancelled. Minus will get cancelled.
Yeah.
What is remaining, Ra? D is equals to 2h. Will you all agree with me?
So they are already given that GH
Yes.
is equal.
D is equals to how many kilometers? 20 kilometers. So 20 is equals to h. What is the h, Ra? H is equals to what? 20 by 2, which is equals to how many kilometers?
10.
So,
10
yeah,
kilometers.
Nivedan, Kavya, understand Kavya? Abhirami?
Yes, sir.
So, if I go from the surface of the earth, if I go 20 kilometers inside, and if I go 10 kilometers above, both places, the G value is what? Everybody? Yes, please. G value is what, guys? Same. Clear, everyone? So above the ground and below the earth 20 kilometers, above 10 kilometers, both the places G value is same. That's all it is. Do you understand, everyone? I hope everybody clear. Mari, any doubt? You can ask.
Yes,
Niroshi, understand? Mr. Mukesh, Pranav,
Yes, sir.
Sam.
Yes, sir.
That is all.
Sir.
So see, this kind of things is very, very, like we can say, very important for always competitive exams. How smart you are thinking. Next, second one, find height where the gravity is same as at a depth of 4,800 kilometers. Now it is a very deeper or very, like very, H is very small or very big. It's very almost, see that H is very, very bigger. Am I right or wrong? All of you. Yes, please respond, guys. Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So then we have to take it now. At the above height, we have to take this formula or this formula. Which formula is preferred?
G into R by
Yes.
R plus H.
That is what is you have to use it. Okay. So I am using C. Actually, the original formula what you have written above height, GH is equals to G divided by 1 plus H by R whole square. Am I right? Everybody? Correct, Ara? All of you?
Yes.
But they are using this one like a purely before derivation. Derivation itself, we have got this middle itself, this formula. Do you remember, Mari? This formula we got it middle. That is the formula they are using. Okay, wa? So they have not done directly, they are doing that. G by GH by G is equals to where we got the what? R square divided by H R plus H whole square. Do you remember this one? We got it. Directly they are using this itself. Okay, guys. Yes or no? You also can use it,
Yes,
nothing
sir.
wrong. So GH is equals to G into R divided by R plus H whole square. Okay, Sam? That's all they are using. They have mentioned here. So that one I am both equating now. So G into 1 minus D by R is equals to G into R by R plus H whole square. So what will get cancelled, everyone? What will get cancelled? GG will get cancel. Okay. Next. 1 minus. What is the depth? 4,800 kilometers. Hey, who is that talking? If not interested, leave. 4,800 divided by R. Radius of the earth, how much? Radius of the earth.
6,400 kilometers.
6,400, which is equals to this side. R value 6,400 divided by again R value 6,400 plus H whole square. Okay. So till here this step you solve, and the remaining thing I will solve it in the next step. Okay. Now you can proceed here. So what is the step we got it? 1 minus 4,800 divided by 6,400, which is equals to 6,400 divided by 6,400 plus H whole square. This is the step we got it. Any problem for anybody? You can ask me. Are you clear, everybody? Yes. Now can you do this LCM? What is that? 6,400 minus 4,800 divided by 6,400, which is equals to 6,400 divided by 6,400 plus H whole square. Let it be, it is. Now subtraction, do it fast and tell me 6,400 minus 4,800. Make it quick and tell me fast. Everybody. 6,400 minus 4,800. How much, guys? 1,000 divided by 6,400. 6,400. So to get the 6,400, how many times you have to multiply? Kavya, division. So 0, 0 get cancel. 16 ones are 16 ones are na? Yes.
4.
Yeah, that's all it is. So 1 by 4. Can I get cancel it, guys? Everybody? So I will write it 1 by 4 is equals to 6,400 divided by 6,400 plus H whole square. Now, I will do, now square will come this side. What will become, guys? Square will come this side. What will become? Yes, please. Root over 1 by 4. What is the root over 1 by 4 value?
1 by 2.
1 means 1 by 2. That's all it is. Clear? Now, it's very simple. What else remaining? I can make it now cross multiplication. 6,400 into 2, which is equals to 6,400 plus H. So 6,400 2s are how much, guys? 6,400 2s are how much? Everybody? Yes. Whatever it is. So you can multiply it, you'll get, yeah, 12,000 array, 1,000 illa. Innara array. Yes. 6,400 into 2. How much, Ra? 12,800, which is equals to 6,400 plus H. Now 6,400 will come this side. So 1,800 minus 6,400, which is equals to again 6,400 kilometers. So from the earth, from the Earth surface, if I go depth 6,400 kilometers, if I go up also 6,400 kilometers, both places, G value is how much, guys? Yes, please.
Same.
Depth also and height also, G value is how much?
Same.
6,400 kilometers.
That is what is I wanted. I understand everybody? Mr. Sam, Mari, Mukesh. So this is how you have to solve it. This is one of the most basic level of question where you can be tested your understanding level. Okay, clear everyone? If anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. So extremely important question it is. So now today's main thing you have to remember mass of the earth, because weight of the planet also we can calculate. Mass of the planet is equals to, once again I'm saying, density is equals to mass by volume. Mass is equals to density into volume. Any planet, either it is a sun or a moon or a earth or Mars or Jupiter.
Sir, will they give the value of density?
Yes, Mari. No, yeah, they will give you. Basically, in calculating weight, we will use this, Mari. Because if you want to calculate the weight, you should calculate what first? Mass. Am I right or wrong? Mass in
mg.
gravity. So, mass we will calculate based upon this. So, we'll consider any kind of sphere object, any kind of planet is like a sphere. What is the volume of the sphere, everybody? 4 by 3 pi r cube. R means radius. Are you clear, everyone? So mass of the earth, for example, they'll ask you to calculate rho into volume means what, everybody? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 pi and rho are constant. So I will write it as a first 4 by 3 into pi into density into r cube. This is the formula for calculating the mass of any planet. This is the most important thing which you need to learn. Okay. For any kind of exams, competitive exams or whatever it is, this is the things you please learn. 4 by 3 pi into rho into r cube is the mass of the planet. Note it. Definitely you will experience the importance of it soon in our daily life. Okay. So I hope you all understand. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Clear, guys?
I can show it again.
Yes, Mark. So please learn it. It's very, very important. This one. Okay, wa? Everybody? Yes, please.
Sir, is this for sphere?
Not for sphere. Yes, Mari. Any kind of sphere. Sphere mass also we can calculate like this. Sphere means earth. You can take it as a earth is a sphere. Okay. That's
Yes,
what.
sir,
Like.
because the volume of the sphere is only 4 by 3 pi r
Yeah,
cube.
this is mass of the sphere. It's not the volume.
Yes.
Who is this Subha Nagarajan? Is it Prithvi? Prithvi, is it yours? Are you clear, Mr. Pranav? Understand? Niroshi? Yeah. So please
Yes, sir.
learn this. Like this is very important. Then tomorrow I will teach you. So this is what is about factors affecting G value. Tomorrow we'll start the mass and weight, because mass and weight I want to teach you how to use the mass from the density, how to calculate the mass. And then we will go with the concept thrust and pressure. Now I will say you like percentage also will solve. So they will solve tomorrow some more questions related to satellites, this, that, and all. Then after that, we will go with the next thrust and pressure. Okay. So these are the questions. Like it will be, you will finding it more interesting also when you are solving. So definitely you have to work and you have to learn it. Clear? So thank you everybody. We'll meet in tomorrow's class.